Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS 3301 Data Structures. The unit is lists. In this video, we are going to discuss about abstract data type. First, data structure. Data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data either in a computer's memory or on the disk storage so that it can be used efficiently. The mainly data structures are used in almost every program or software system. The common examples of the data structures are arrays, linked list, queues, stacks, binary tree, hash table, etc. The following are the some of the applications that are used the data structures. First one is a compiler design, then second one is operating system, then third one is the statistical analysis package, then next one is the DBMS, that means database management systems. Next, the classification of data structures. The data structures are mainly classified into two major categories. First one is the primitive data structure, then second one is the non-primitive data structures. Under the primitive data structures, it contains them integer, float, character, pointers. Under the non-primitive data structures, it contains the arrays, list, files. In this unit, we are going to discuss about the list. Under the list data structures, there are two types of list. First one is the linear, then second one is the non-linear. Under the non-linear, the graphs and trees are present. Under the linear list, stacks and queues are present. These are the classification of data structures. Then primitive data structure. Primitive data structures are the fundamental types which are supported by a programming languages. Some basic types are integer, real, character and boolean. Then the non-primitive data structures. These are data structures which are created using primitive data structure. Examples of these data structures are linked list, stack, trees, graphs. The non-primitive data structures can further be classified into linear and non-linear data structures. Linear and non-linear. Linear data structure means if the elements of a data structures are stored in a linear or sequential order, then it is a linear data structure. The examples are array, linked list, stack and queues. The linear data structures can be represented in memory in two different ways. One way is to a linear relationship between the elements by means of sequential memory location. The another way is the linear relationship between elements by means of links. Then next one is the non-linear data structures. If the elements of the data structures are not stored in a sequential order, then it is non-linear data structure. The relationships of adjacency is not maintained between elements of a non-linear data structure. Examples include trees, graphs. These are the examples for non-linear data structures. Then next one is the operations on data structures. These are the some of the important operations involved in the data structures. First one is the traversal. Traversal means visit every part of the data structure. That means in a tree or graph, we are going these operations. Then next one is the search. Search means traversal through the data structure for a given element. Then next one is the insertion. Insertion means adding some new elements to the data structures. Deletion means removing an element from the data structures. Sorting means rearranging the elements in some type of order. For example, increasing or decreasing order. Then next one is the merging. Merging means combining two similar data structures into one. Then next one is the abstract data type. Abstract data type is defined as ADT, and this is a way look at the data structure focusing on what it does and ignoring how it does its job. The abstract data type is a triple of D set of domains, F set of functions, and A set of axioms, in which only what is to be done is mentioned, how is to be not mentioned. The abstract data type contains type plus the function names plus the behavior of each function. The examples of the ADT types are stacks, queues, linked lists. Next one is the ADT operations. While modeling the problems, the necessary details are separated out from the unnecessary details. This process of modeling the problem is called abstraction. This model defines an abstract view of the particular problem. It focuses only on the problem related stuff, and that you are try to define properties of the problem. These properties include the data which are affected. Then next one is the data which are identified. The data type, abstract data type operations. These are the operations involved in the abstract data type. First one is the create. It is used to create a database. Next one is the display. This operation is used to displaying all the elements of the data structure. Next one is the insert. This operation is used to insert the elements at any desired position. Then next one is the deletion. This can be used to delete the particular desired element from the data structures. Then next one is a modification. Any desired element can be deleted from the data structures. Then next one is the advantage of using the ADT. The main advantage is it is reusable and it is robust. Next one is that it can be reused at several places and it reduces coding efforts. Then next one is encapsulation. Ensures that the data cannot be corrupted. And the ADT ensures the robust data structures. And the next one is the working of various integrated operation and cannot be tampered by the application programs. Thank you.